Hi there, Julia. I know how to do juggling of 3 balls. My first advice is, number 1, practice with the first ball, like so. Now what you want to be doing is making a Macca's M shape when you combine them. Like that. Now there is no passing. So you're not passing like this and then doing that and then passing like that and then doing that. No. Okay. Once you got that down, you need to be thinking about 2 balls. Now, when you've got 2 balls, you've got to think of slightly more things. Mostly, where the heck is this going to end up in your hands? So, for example, you might be a little bit overcompensating in your primary hand, my one's my left, and undercompensating in the right. That's the right one. So, I actually tend to find I need to put more effort and more energy into my throws in the right hand one to actually compensate the left, as you can see. Once you've got that down, is the third one. So you go up to this. And then, mostly what you're focusing on is 2 in one hand and 1 in the other. Okay? I'd advise you to get very comfortable with 2 in one hand because you'll be doing that for 4 later. So what you want to do is focus firstly on trying actually to get 3 balls in the air. So like I just did, let's repeat that. 1, 2, 3. Now, don't be all surprised if you have some falling. That's really not surprising with juggling. You're gonna do that all the time. So what you gotta focus on is how high you want to go. Obviously, the higher that you go, the more time you have to pick them and to throw them in the air. If you have no time at all, such as this, you're going to be struggling for air and time and chucking. Now, if you excel past your 3, you get to 4. So, like we said before, we're looking at 2 on one side, and before we had 1 on one side, but now we have 2 on the other side. So what I want you to focus on is A, chucking them in the air, and being able to catch 2 at the same time. This is going to be hard. I've only been able to throw at least 3 times and then they fall on the floor. So let's try and see if I can go beyond what I'm normally used to. Yeah, that wouldn't work. No. Like I said, it's not as easy as it plans. With 4, both of these are supposed to be rotating at the same time. Okay? Does that help? If that does not help, there is a juggling group in Newtown on Wednesdays, last time I checked, at Australia Street, I think. And they can actually help you learn how to juggle your pristine juggling skills.